Alright, I thought I was done with these videos, right? But if y'all can hear this nigga Robert snoring, that's a sheet of shit. Alright, hold on. Do y'all see that shit? You hear that? That's a nigga sleeping. That makes no fucking sense. Let y'all listen and watch it one more time. That's just horrible. Alright, y'all.